morning. The government of the day is finding it difficult to move forward. Parliament witnessed noisy scenes both in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha over the Comptroller and Auditor General report on irregularities in the rollout of the earlier farm loan waiver schemes. The PM promised stringent possible action against defaulters. The RBI has swung into action asking banks to provide performance audit of beneficiaries of the agricultural debt waiver and debt relief schemes of 2008. However, Finance Minister P. Chidambaram has reportedly already started work on implementing Budget 2013-14 announcements even before the proposals are approved by the Parliament. Besides a global roadshow, the PM is also expected to visit main cities of India to ask companies to boost capital expenditure. The outlook for the day is a flat open. US economic reports were better than anticipated. The Dow Jones marginally but managed to close at a new record high of 14,296.39. The S&P 500 was a tad higher. The Bank of Japan, the Bank of England and the European Central Bank will announce their policy decisions later today. The Nikkei is up almost 1%. South Korea's Kospi index is down 0.5%. Australia's S&P or ASX 200 index is a bit lower, while Singapore's Straits Times index is a flat. Brent crude and US oil ended lower. US government data showed domestic crude inventories rose much more than forecast. Meanwhile, Moody's Analytics says the worst may be over for India. The Indian government, with a new finance minister and economic advisor, implemented several reforms and cutbacks through the second half of 2012 designed to narrow the budget deficit and restore confidence in the government and the economy. Government spending grew just 1.9% year-on-year in the December quarter as various spending cuts, particularly on fuel and diesel subsidies, kicked in, the Moody's Analytics report said. Trends in the FII. The FIIs were net buyers of Rs 5.24 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 5.99 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. Our recommendations, the technical calls for the day. We advise buying BEL above Rs 201 for the target price of 213 with stop loss placed at Rs 195. The derivative strategy. Long Reliance Infra March futures above Rs 432 for the target price of 446 with stop loss placed at Rs 425. Thank you. Wish you have a good day ahead.